In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use APIs in your Asana in just 5 minutes. We'll explore how to log into Asana, navigate the interface, and set up an integration using an API, specifically by connecting Microsoft Teams. First things first, go ahead and open your browser and type in the URL for Asana. If you haven't visited Asana recently, you'll need to log in. It's as easy as entering your registered email address. Your email forms the cornerstone of your Asana account, functioning as a key to unlock a treasure trove of project management tools. Once you've entered your email, click on that big Continue button. Don't worry if the page takes a moment to load, as that's normal. Now, on the next screen, you'll need to enter your password. This step is all about security, ensuring that your Asana environment remains safe. After you've typed in your password, hit login. Now you're in the hub of your Asana workspace. APIs are one of the most useful technologies available in Asana. They allow users and developers to interact with Asana data programmatically, automating tasks, and enabling integrations with various tools to extend functionality. This includes tasks like creating new tasks, updating projects, and extracting valuable data for insightful reports. The possibilities are endless. Let's dive into how you can utilize these APIs to their full potential. On your Asana homepage, you'll see a list of projects you're part of. By clicking on a project of your choice, you can view all its details. Now let's customize this project, so go ahead and click on Customize. Among the options, you'll find Apps. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll see an option to add an app. This is where you can choose the app to integrate. For our demonstration today, we'll select Microsoft Teams. Click on Microsoft Teams and then click on Add to Project. The next prompt will allow you to connect this app to Microsoft Teams. This step is crucial as it builds the bridge between Asana and Teams, allowing seamless collaboration across platforms. Once you click Connect to Microsoft Teams, there will be a prompt for you to allow the integration. Go ahead and click Allow, confirming you trust Asana with these connections. You will then be prompted to enter your Microsoft account email address. Enter the email linked to your Teams account, and follow the instruction prompts to complete the setup. Once you are through this quick process, your Asana and Microsoft Teams accounts will be integrated, making collaborative work more efficient than ever. There you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've tapped into a world of productivity enhancements using APIs. The integration unlocks potential for streamlined communication, project management efficiencies, and customized workflows. Don't forget to explore and experiment with other integrations to truly make Asana your own. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.